Welcome to Farm Focus. This tutorial will help to demonstrate the valuable information held within your livestock trading report. This report is more applicable for businesses that focus on meat production. You can check this report at any time throughout the year to help you keep on track to achieving your targets of meat grown and sold. Set the revision date to any period you wish to analyse. If you are wanting to keep the information current, then set it to the most recent fully coded month with your planned items for the remainder of the year. The total opening and closing livestock values are driven off the values you enter into the livestock section in your focus settings. If you are unsure what values to use, you can consult with your advisors or use the National Average Market Value on the Inland Revenue website as a starting point. Here you can see the changes in your opening and closing livestock numbers and total value. If you have increased or decreased stock numbers drastically, this will be reflected in your capital stock value and likely to have an impact on your overdraft balance. This information is particularly important to consider when you are having conversations with your bank. It is important to keep track of any non-financial stock events such as births and deaths. These numbers are recorded here and will flow into your EFS report as percentages. This shows a snapshot of your livestock trading plans for the season and whether you are overstocked or understocked on your farm. Use the condensed version of the report to get a quick view of the overall stats, or use the chevrons for more detail of the sale and purchase dates, both planned and actual. Here you can see the total kilograms of meat grown and sold with the averages for each stock class. Scroll to the bottom of the page to see how this calculates on a per hectare basis and also with the dollar value per hectare. The sheep and beef total kilos of carcass weight is split out, which will help to show where your efforts should be concentrated. This is powerful information to determine if your time and money is achieving the desired results. Check out our Help Centre for more information or use the chat bubble to talk to the team.